I do declare that fried squash was so delicious. My first squash. Welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. Today we're going to be doing a delicious, quick and easy recipe, Farmhouse Fried Squash, from squash that was harvested from the garden yesterday. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is just cut the tips of the squash off. And we're going to be cutting the squash up into like 1-inch cubes. And place them in a dish. And we're going to pour 1.5 cups of buttermilk over it. And just mix that around well. So in another dish, let's add our flour. 1.5 cups of flour. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is to help give the squash a little bit more crispiness. And then from here, whatever seasons you would like on your squash, I'm going to be putting in some garlic salt. Just sprinkle some in, maybe about 1/2 teaspoon or so. And some fresh ground black pepper. And that is all the ingredients. Very simple, very easy. And just mix that in well. Okay, and just get a frying pan of your choice. We're going to put it on medium-high heat. And then whatever cooking oil you would like to fry yours in. I'm using avocado oil today. Now we got to give this a few minutes to heat up. Okay, so while the oil's heating up, we're just going to be taking our squash now that's been in this buttermilk for a few minutes and just put it over here in our flour mixture. And just get it coated well. And it is ready to go in the frying pan. The first thing we want to do is make sure our oil is hot enough. We can do this by just putting a little bit of flour in there, and you can see it's sizzling, so we know it's hot enough. There's a couple of them right here that's ready. Looking good. The Farmhouse Fried Squash is finished. This is such a very easy recipe. You're going to love it. Very good. The cornstarch gives a nice crunch on the outside. I do declare that fried squash was so delicious. If you have found value in this video, please take a moment to hit the like button. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, would you take a moment to smash that subscribe button to be a part of Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.